Hi, and welcome back to MarketMan's video setup guide. In this video, we will show you how to use the accounting section of MarketMan. This is going to play an integral part in reporting and end-of-month bookkeeping. The first section is where we can go to access past invoices and delivery notes. Here, we can not only see the past orders we have received, but also change them if we realize a mistake was made. To change one, simply click on the order number, click Edit, and follow the same steps that we went over in the Receive Orders video. We can sort our invoices by date, supplier, or even total. If you are using an online accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, we also give you the ability to connect MarketMan directly with your software. If you have questions about which accounting softwares we integrate with, check out our frequently asked questions section, top right. In credit memos, we can see all of the credits that we owe suppliers or that suppliers owe us. We can not only see what is owed, but also what items caused it and which invoice it came from. From this screen, we can also send credit memos directly to bookkeepers, suppliers, and mark things that have been done or things that have not been done. It is really important for business to track price changes. In the irregular prices section, we can look at all of the price increases and decreases. We can sort by supplier, date, and even variance as a percentage or dollar amount. The goal of the accounting system is to help you get a better understanding of your business at the end of every month. By integrating MarketMan with your accounting software, we can help make this process even easier. Remember, you can manage your MarketMan account on your computer, phone, or tablet. If you have any questions, please visit our website at marketman.com or email us at support@marketman.com.